Are you looking for a way to get a Spotify playlist code? We're going to show you how to create a QR code for your playlist right from the Spotify app on your iPhone or Android without any browser, so you can easily share it or simply scan it to access that song or album. Now launch your Spotify app. Now go to any specific song or any album, tap on this three dot, scroll down in this list, and from the bottom, select Show Spotify Code. Expand this picture and then tap on Save to Photos. Now if you're using an Android, you might not get the Save option. In that case, simply take this screenshot of this photo along with the QR code. Your QR code is saved to your photos, albums, or gallery. Now you can send it to anyone, print it, share it, make a merchandise, even scan and open this album or song from any device you want. See how easy it is to get a QR code from your Spotify? Thanks for watching.